A very warm good afternoon to one and all present and those who are watching this video. Today, under Vigilance Awareness Week, is the debate competition. The topic of debate competition is Celebration of Vigilance Awareness Week is necessary to make India corruption free. And I, Bhavna Dabral, working as PGT English in Kendriya Vidyalaya ONGC Panvel, is going to tell my views against the topic. So I firmly put my ideas forth against the celebration of Vigilance Awareness Week to make India corruption free. My dear friends, I would like to first of all put forth the point what vigilance exactly is. Vigilance is about the alertness which we all should have in us all the time to see and watch our surroundings. It is true that corruption emerges and grows gradually, but when it grows, it flourishes and catches a speed swiftly. So, in its bud condition only, it becomes our duty to just trace it and cut it off. Vigilance awareness means that as a citizen of India, we should be vigilant enough of our surroundings. We should take care that malpractices, corruption is not at all prevalent in it. And if we find any, we should immediately take action against it or report the authority about it. Celebration of Vigilance Awareness Week somewhere shows that we are not doing this part of our duty. We are not vigilant about the corruption in our society so far. And when we celebrate it, it becomes just a formality to pass the time, to conduct the quizzes, to conduct the debates, just writing the slogans, distributing pamphlets, and then coming to point zero, where India we see as still immersed in scams, corruption, etc. We know that corruption hinders the growth, so we should stop it in its very early stage. Vigilance is of three types. It is preventive vigilance, participative vigilance, and punitive vigilance. Preventive vigilance means when we come to know about any act of corruption, we should just try to prevent it. And rather, with our self-consciousness, we should never indulge in malpractices or corrupt practices. Participative vigilance means where we all should join hands to remove corruption from our society and surroundings, where we all participate to be one, to be united. And punitive vigilance means where we come to know about any malpractice, about any corruption, and we stand against it. We give punishment to the person. And that should be the last stage. So till we will be celebrating the Vigilance Awareness Week, we are never going to achieve the third stage. The third stage actually should never be achieved. Corruption, in my opinion, should be curbed at the earliest only. Corruption is the abuse of public power in private gain. Very true. With God's grace, with the blessings of our parents, due to our hard work and studies, we are in the position today where we are. So we should do good for the society. We should help the needy. As teachers, we can give our 100% in our teaching profession. We should dedicate ourselves to the work of the society, the students and illiterates. But there are people in various departments of government organizations, even many of our politicians indulge in corruption and very freely roam about in the streets. So what about the celebration of Vigilance Awareness Week? They are the people who initiate to celebrate this week. They are the ones who with full confidence take the pledges that they are going to make India corruption free. But are they really not corrupt? Are their integrity unquestionable? It is a big statement to ponder upon. Dear judges, Central Vigilance Commission was set up in 1964, many decades back. Still, we need to celebrate Vigilance Awareness Week. By this time, the corruption would have been evaded from our society. We live in Bharatvarsh. We live in India, the land of Lord Ram, the land of Lord Krishna, the land of great freedom fighters, of the man who was the epitome of truth, Mahatma Gandhi. We are celebrating his 150th birth anniversary, my dear friends. We believe in his philosophy. We respect his whole personality, his thoughts, and still do you feel that really there is a need to celebrate Vigilance Awareness Week? No. The celebration of Vigilance Awareness Week is just a hoax, just to be mentioned in papers, to be prepared in files, to be moved from one office to another, telling our officials that we have celebrated, we have become corruption free. But is it really true? Is it going to make the society really corruption free? Strict laws are the need of the hour. Strict implementation, speedy course of direction in the courts of law is the need of the hour. Whenever a person indulges in corruption, he is caught. He never comes to the third stage, that is punitive vigilance. Very rarely he is cross-examined in the law of court, because before that, I do not know how, but he flies. He just escapes from our country. Take the case of Harshad Mehta. There are so many scams in this country. Still, the people feel that they can just move freely. They can never come in the clutches of the organization named Police Department of the country. Self-consciousness is must. Instead of Vigilance Awareness Week, celebration of Morality Week is required. Rather, morality should be practiced all days, all the time, everywhere. Thus, I put forth my views against the celebration of Vigilance Awareness Week. In my views, Vigilance Awareness Week is just a mock on the people who are really innocent, who are truthful, and who do their duties perfectly well. So here, I wind up my debate with due respect to my audience and judges that Vigilance Awareness Week should not be celebrated. Rather, it should be practiced wholeheartedly in the land of Mahatma. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.